Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. In this module, we're gonna get into static routes. Now, in my opinion, this is where it starts getting really interesting because we have connectivity between the devices, but we don't have end-to-end connectivity yet. We can use static routes to create end-to-end connectivity. And so now we can communicate across our network. So in this module, let's learn how to do that. We're gonna kick this module off getting into static routes. We'll talk all about different types of static routes. We'll get into the pros and cons of static routes. Static routes can be very efficient. However, they also are not very dynamic, so they don't really change as your network changes. We're gonna then get into some demos. So we're gonna start demoing what static routes look like and how we can configure that on our devices. We'll get into a default route and how we can send traffic. If it doesn't match anything else, it'll send it to the default route so it knows how to get to the internet. We'll also get into a static host route, how we can set up a static route to a specific host, and also a floating static route, how we can have a backup static route, so if something fails, then it will take the place. Then we'll also get into RFC 3021, which allows us to implement a IP scheme where if it's a point-to-point, we only need 2 addresses across that network. And so we'll get into all of these different types of and do some configuration on our routers with these different types of static routes.